Welcome to Tasty Malayali. Let's create an amazing football sandwich burger that's perfect for game day, parties, or family gatherings. Packed with juicy chicken, creamy homemade mayonnaise, fresh vegetables, melted cheese, and shaped like a real football. This fun recipe is guaranteed to impress everyone. Let's jump into the kitchen and start making this delicious masterpiece. First, let's make our rich and creamy boiled egg mayonnaise. Add 3 garlic cloves into a mixer jar. Drop in 1 boiled egg. Add salt to taste. Pour in 1 teaspoon sunflower oil. Squeeze in half a lime for a fresh tangy kick. Add 2 teaspoons of water. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. Add a little more water if needed to get a thick yet spreadable paste. And just like that, our silky boiled egg mayonnaise is ready. Now let's make a fresh and flavorful cilantro and mint mayonnaise. Add 3 garlic cloves into a mixer jar. Add 1 boiled egg. Squeeze in half a lime for tangy taste. Toss in a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Add 4 to 5 fresh mint leaves. Add salt to taste. Drop in 4 Kandhari chilies for that fiery Kerala punch. Pour 1 teaspoon sunflower oil. Blend everything into a smooth green paste. Add water little by little until it becomes thick, creamy, and luscious. Our refreshing cilantro and mint mayonnaise is ready. Now let's prepare the juicy chicken filling in a simple way. Take 3 to 4 slices of boneless chicken. Sprinkle salt evenly over the chicken for perfect seasoning. Season generously with black pepper. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons sunflower oil. Once oil heats up, place the chicken seasoned side down onto the hot pan. Sprinkle salt and pepper on the other side as well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until beautifully golden and fully cooked. Once cooked, remove the juicy chicken from the pan and keep it aside. Now to create the football pattern. Cut white bread into 12 hexagon shapes. Cut wheat bread into 7 pentagon shapes. Keep them ready. Slice 1 medium capsicum and 1 tomato, then keep them ready. Now let's assemble. Take a round bowl to shape the football. Place the pentagon-shaped wheat bread at the center, then surround it with the hexagon-shaped white bread. Continue arranging both bread pieces until the entire football pattern is complete. Spread the boiled egg mayonnaise over the bread so every piece sticks together perfectly. Arrange a delicious layer of fresh, juicy tomato slices evenly over the bread. Next, arrange a crunchy layer of fresh capsicum slices evenly over the tomatoes. Add a layer of remaining cut bread pieces, packing them tightly to create a firm and compact football shape. Spoon over 2 tablespoons of boiled egg mayonnaise. Add 3 tablespoons of cilantro and mint mayonnaise for an explosion of fresh flavor. Arrange a generous layer of juicy, perfectly fried chicken evenly over the creamy sandwich filling. Place 2 slices of cheese evenly on top of the chicken. Add 2 to 3 more slices of capsicum for extra crunch. Drizzle 2 tablespoons each of the boiled egg mayonnaise and cilantro mint mayonnaise over the filling to make every bite irresistibly creamy. Cover everything with the remaining bread pieces, filling every gap to hold the shape securely. Finally, cover the entire top with fresh lettuce or cabbage leaves for a crisp, refreshing finish. Place a serving plate over the bowl and carefully flip it upside down. And there you have it, your homemade football sandwich burger. Every bite is packed with juicy chicken, creamy egg mayonnaise, fresh cilantro mint flavors, crunchy vegetables, gooey melted cheese, and soft bread. It's the perfect centerpiece for football match days, family gatherings, or weekend parties. Serve it fresh, slice it up, and enjoy this delicious crowd pleaser. Authentic Kerala flavors on tasty Malayali. Join us for more spicy, tasty recipes.